Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we are focusing some alternatives of I can do. I can do a useful phrase many native speakers or English knowing people use their daily life conversation. But here's the problem. If you only use I can do, it makes you sound repetitive or sometimes even negative. So today we are focusing some powerful and useful alternatives of I can do. So let's get started. So number one alternative is I'm not able to. I'm not able to. Here's an example. I'm not able to attend the meeting tomorrow. This is a polite and professional way to say it. Use this in work emails, school, or any formal situation. And now next alternative is I'm unable to. I'm unable to. Example, I'm unable to log into my account right now. I'm unable to log into my account right now. This is often used in official communication. It's short, direct, and formal, right? And next is I'm not capable of. Example, I'm not capable of fixing this machine by myself. This shows a real lack of ability, not just refusal, right? And next alternative is I don't have the ability to. I don't have the ability to. Example, I don't have the ability to play the piano. I don't have the ability to play the piano. Clear and honest. Great for speaking about skills you don't have, right? Okay. Another is I'm struggling to. I'm struggling to. Example, I'm struggling to understand this math problem. This is softer. It shows that you are trying but finding it hard. Perfect for everyday conversations. And number 6 alternative is it's beyond me. It's beyond me. Example, the new tax rules are beyond me. The new tax rules are beyond me. A more casual, natural way to say something is too difficult for you. And next alternative is that's not my strong suit. That's not my strong suit. Example, cooking is not my strong suit. This is a polite and indirect way to say you are not good at something. Native speakers use this a lot. And now next alternative is I haven't figured out how to. Example, I haven't figured out how to drive a manual car yet. This sounds more positive. You don't know it now, but you might learn in the future. And number 9, I don't feel confident about. I don't feel confident about. Example, I don't feel confident about speaking in front of a large audience. I don't feel confident about speaking in front of a large audience. This is useful when you want to express fear or lack of confidence, not just ability. Okay. And our last and final, number 10 alternative is that's out of my reach. That's out of my reach. Example, becoming a professional singer is out of my reach. This is a powerful way to express something that feels impossible for you. Notice how each of these phrases gives a different flavor. Some are casual, some are formal, and some are more encouraging, right? Choosing the right one will make your sound more smoother and more professional. Instead of always saying I can't do, try I'm not able to, I'm unable to, I'm not capable of, I don't have the ability to, I'm struggling to, it's beyond me, that's not my strong suit, I haven't figured out how to, I don't feel confident about, that's out of my reach. And now it's quiz time. Please fill in the blanks with the best alternatives. 1. Sorry, I am ... to join you for dinner tonight. 2nd, public speaking is not my ... suit. And 3rd, this computer code is completely ... me. 4. I am ... to solve this problem, but I am still trying. Write your answers in the comments below. I'll check them for you. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and to subscribe my channel. See ya in the next video.